Yeah, they do stink. They're oily as heck. They're good bait. Is he drumming? I don't know if it's only males that do that or females do too. But I don't know. All right, welcome back, guys. Back at the only place that's open water for now. Hopefully not much longer. These guys just doubled up.
Got us some big ones out here.
Keegan got a drum. She got a sunfish. He's going out live.
Oh my god!
You cutting them or are you putting them out live?
Should I put them out live and get a catfish?
That's what I'm going for.
You can do that.
Do you want it?
I mean, you can catch it. I mean, you can do it if you want.
This one's real pretty. He has like pink on him.
Well, don't get attached. You're about to get 8. These guys must not like my worm or something. Gosh, I got the smallest piece of worm on there too, just so they'll hit the hook. Got him. Finally. There we go.
Are these 2 different fish?
No, they're the same fish. Both greenies. Yeah. Yeah, this one's about to get Super 8. Hopefully. Alright, here we go. Throw this out there to that log. Alright. Not that deep out there. Guys. Yeah, you might get hung up if you go through it.
That's what I was thinking. That's what I'm scared of.
Yep. Oh, look at that. I'm getting hit. Towards me. What was it, guard got it or something? We got something on there. Oh boy. Oh. Hey guys, I got something on there. Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh boy.
Where's the video? You got the videos at?
Hey Keegan, where's your other one at? I don't want to get... Right, he's going that way. Oh, he's coming this way. Ooh. Oh, it's a wiper. Dang it. Well, I was hoping for a flathead. He's mad though. Look at him. He's pulling line. What if he got the fish in his mouth this time? Oh. He's not even that big, but there's some fish hanging outside his mouth.
Yeah. That's a decent one though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Keegan, you sure you don't want to get no live bait out there? Got him. Oh yeah, he's nice. He's pretty nice. I'll go ahead and weigh him.
Oh my god, that is freaking huge.
All right, you ready to get a weight on him? Let's see. What do you guys think? 4? 5?
It's probably about 4.58.
4.8.
All right, I'm gonna go with 4.2. Man, 5.3. He's a lot bigger than I thought he was. See that on the camera? Dirty screen there. 5.3. Look at that belly. Ooh, yeah. Dude's a chunk. Hopefully you guys can see him on the camera good. These guys don't get old either. Let's get this big boy back in. Boy, man. There he goes, all majestic.
That was majestic.
Get the old bait pole out there. I wasn't even recording because I thought I was just gonna catch a bluegill or something. Hey, look at that, I just pulled a largemouth out. Nope. Look at that little baby largemouth. Oh.
Remember that first one?
That one was pretty nice, yeah. Got him. Oh, dang it. I'm trying to weed out the small fish. Well, oh, shoot. Trying to weed out anything but a catfish or a really big wiper. Something big just splashed right next to Bella. Oh, that wasn't a gar either.
I don't know what that was.
That was a hybrid.
I think it was.
Did you break off?
Yeah.
He just slipped?
I felt that thing though, like hook up.
Yeah.
I felt it like that.
Hey, mine's going.
Oh.
Where's yours?
Mine is going.
Oh, snap. Hold on. Don't really keep it. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Oh my God.
I think you had a car. I think you didn't let it get hooked all the way.
It was flopping all over.
Uh-oh, Keegan. There, give him. Set that thing to the moon.
Oh, dang, he was on. Oh, man, he was quick. I thought he was.
Oh man.
Little guy?
Yeah. Little drum. Little baby drum. Give me a bluegill. Can I get a bluegill? I forgot I was recording. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, he let go. Dang. This must be the drum pull, Keegan. Oh, oh. Be nice if I got a monster out of here.
Ooh, babe, I think yours is
Oh yeah, it did. Hey, it's going hard too. Hey, hey. Oh, you better get that pole.
Yeah, I might go in. Oh, it just came.
Oh, he let go again. I didn't want to take your fish. That one was going.
Yeah, it was scaring me a little bit. I was like,
I was like, well, I ain't gonna let you lose the rod. You never get to that point where you catch a 5-pounder and it's like, that's not that big anymore.
yeah, we're looking for us a 100-pounder.
Yeah, that'd be sick. Catch you one of them, catch you a Goliath or something, or a shark. Head back to the falls. See if we can't catch anything over there. I hate this place. Scared that might not stay in there. Pulled it down all the way. I think it would stay. All right. See if we can get one. Yep, I got something. Oh yeah. All right, well, the fishing has slowed down, guys. It was actually never really hot, except for drumfish. The drumfish were biting. Yeah, the baby catfish. Oh, oh, oh. Oh boy. Come on, please be on there still. I think you let go. Dang it, I was too slow. Oh, yeah. Dang it. Oh, oh, crap. Oh, it just broke me off. My drag ain't even that tight. I must tie a sucky knot. Oh, I'm getting hit again. Look at that. Oh, I think I actually got it. Yeah, it's a little fish, but I got a fish. I said it's a little one, but I got one. Finally.
What is that?
It's a hybrid. All right. Can't even get the hook out.
Got your last one.
I know. Last fish of the day. Giant. This one, I think he's about 6 pounds.
6 pounds?
Yeah, got a pound on that last one. All right, guys. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe. Yeah, you can't always catch them all. Till next time.